Here are the steps to become a notary in Maryland. First, to qualify to become a notary, you'll need to be 18 or older, be a resident of Maryland or employed in the state, be of good moral character and integrity, and you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. If you meet those qualifications, let's discuss how you can get your notary commission in Maryland. To start, you'll need to order the Maryland Notary Handbook from the Secretary of State's website, take a training course, and pass an exam. Next, you'll need 3 character references and their contact information. They can't be family members or your employer. Then, go to the Maryland Secretary of State's website to fill out a notary application. You will need to provide your legislative district as well as the name and district number of your state senator. Non-residents should select the district in which you want to be commissioned. Submit your application along with the required fee and copy of your ID or change of address card. When your application is approved, you'll receive an email notifying you of your notary commission and instructions to appear at the clerk of the circuit court in the county in which you will be commissioned, take an oath of office within 30 days of being notified by email, and pay the clerk of the court's fee. You will then receive your commission certificate via email. Finally, you'll need to order some supplies like your Maryland Notary seal stamp and notary journal. Also, consider getting a carry case that locks so you can keep your supplies secure. Another highly recommended item to consider is Errors and Omissions insurance. It's completely optional, but if you make an error, an E&O policy protects you. It's a really inexpensive way to give yourself peace of mind. Are you ready to become a notary in Maryland? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Maryland. Visit nationalnotary.org/Maryland to get started today.